This is how we looking right now. How fast should this chopper bike go? Should I get a 3,000 watt, 5,000 watt, or 8,000 watt motor? Just added that light. This is how it looks when you sit on it. Should I keep this handlebar? Like my logo right there. Check me out on Instagram. New tires coming in. But yeah, the red looks good. That shit is so detailed. I will repaint this right here. I'm keeping the rusty bolts. I don't care what y'all say. You just give it detail. You give it age. This bike is old. This shit was rusty as fuck. I'll be painting that and the kickstand.